Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change your Steam game download and install location folder. Whether you're running out of space on your main drive or just want to organize your games better, this quick guide will help you get it done in just a few steps. Let's dive in. First things first, open up your Steam client. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and log in to your account. Once you're in, look at the top left corner of the screen and click on Steam in the menu bar. From the drop-down, select Settings. Now, in the Settings window, you'll see a list of options on the left-hand side. Click on Storage. Click the top drop-down menu on the right panel, select Add Drive. You can select the drive you want from the drop-down menu and click Add. Ensure the new drive is selected in the drop-down menu. You can also choose another location by clicking on Let me choose another location and then selecting a folder you want. Let me add my external drive as the download location. Click the settings icon, 3 horizontal dots. Under it, select the Make Default option. With that, you've changed the default download or install location in Steam. From now on, all your new game downloads will be installed here. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Steam game download and install location folder. It's a simple process that can save you a ton of space and keep your games organized. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.